హలో అండి, ఐఎమ్ గోవిందమ్మ. యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ గోవిందమ్మ స్మార్ట్ ఆర్ట్. ఇవాళ క్లాస్లో మనము సజెషన్స్ అండ్ రికమెండేషన్స్ గురించి తెలుపుకున్నాము. సజెషన్స్ మీన్స్ సలహాలు, రికమెండేషన్స్ అంతా కూడా ఫర్ ద సేక్ ఆఫ్ అదర్స్, ఇతరుల కోసం చేయగలిగినటువంటి ఒక సలహాలు అనమాట, రిక్వెస్ట్ అనమాట. సరే, ఇవి సెంటెన్సెస్ ఎట్లా స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి మనము? హౌ కెన్ వి స్టార్ట్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఆర్ ఇన్ spoken also. So what is the difference between advice and suggestion? Advice అన్న సలహానే, సజెషన్ అన్న సలహానే. ఏంటి డిఫరెన్స్, ఏంటి తేడా అంటే, అడ్వైస్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ ఫార్మల్ సెంటెన్సెస్, ఫార్మల్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో మనము ఉపయోగించేటప్పుడు అడ్వైస్ వాడతాము. సజెషన్ ఈజ్ యూజ్ క్యాజువల్గా వాడేటప్పుడు సజెషన్ వాడతాము. సో ఇక్కడ how can we start sentences, suggestion sentences? So suggestions, if somebody is very talented boy, so he is very talented and he don't know how to encourage his talent, so how to get a public person, so we suggest him, why don't you join in a sports school, why don't you join in a sports college, why don't you join in a coaching center, like this. That means we start a sentence in a negative form. Why don't you? Don't means do not. We start in negative form, but the suggestion is in positive one. So start with a negative form, but the sentence we have to write in a negative one. So why don't you join in a sports school means go and join the sports school immediately. Okay. Next, another type of sentence. Maybe we should. So maybe we should start a new scheme. Maybe we should start a new school. Maybe we should join in another project. That means we go and join in other project, other stream. We should start another school, like this. So start with such type of sentence. Maybe we should. And one more type. How about and what about? How about, what can we do for this dinner means, how about biryani? It means go and make biryani. Let's prepare biryani, like that. How about kheer? That means how about making kheer? How about preparing kheer? Just omit that making. We avoid making and directly we go for the sentence how about kheer? How about biryani, like this. And what about? What about this shirt? What about kheer? So directly we can give suggestion about what about kheer, like also. And one more, when we go for some options, that means we have some shirts or flaws or something, if we have some confusion what to take, what to select, so we give a suggestion like what about this shirt, what about white shirt, what about rose, what about jasmine, so what about that pink one. That means go and take that pink one, select the pink one. So we give suggestion like by using how about and what about. Next, one more type. Start with the I would recommend. I would recommend for this one. I would recommend for brinjals. I would recommend, so to select for that one. I would recommend to go and join in that school. I would recommend to marriage this man, this person. So I would recommend, we directly give that suggestion by using I would recommend. Next, one more type. Let's and shall we. Let's, let us, that means let's, shall we, let's go to picnic, let's go to a movie tonight, let's go and watch a film. Shall we go to a movie? Shall we go to zoo? Shall we attend that party? Shall we meet him? That means along with me we shall go and join that person. We shall go and join that meeting. So shall we and let's, we start this type of suggestions also. And next, it is better to. So it is better to consult a doctor. If somebody is suffering from stomachache or fever or any phobia, we suggest him, it is better to consult a doctor. It is better to consult a cardio- cardiologist. It is better to select that it is better to join that school. So we start like this, it is better to, and we write that sentence whatever we want. Okay, it is better to. Next, one more type, if I were you. If I were you, I would check it once again. If some officer is signing on the files very fastly without saying anything, we can give him a suggestion. If I were you, I would check it once again. If I were you, I would go and check that one. If I were you, I would observe that meeting. If I were you, I would pass the paper to some other person. If I were you, I would consult a doctor. That means if I am in your place, I would go and do it. I will do it. Likewise, we indirectly give that suggestion. Okay. So let us see once more. Why don't you? Maybe we should. How about? What about? I would recommend. Let's. Shall we? It is better to. If I were you. So we start suggestions or recommendations by using these types, and we write whatever we want. Okay. Now a small homework for you. Prepare at least 5 sentences by using these types and post that answers in the comment box. Okay. Don't forget, it is for your sake only, for practice only. Thank you.